Did you change your Samsung PIN, password, or pattern and now you can't remember it? Don't worry because you may still be able to unlock your phone. I'm gonna show you 4 working ways to remove the Samsung lock screen in 2026. Let's get started. The first method is using your previous password. Enter the wrong password a few times until you see a recovery option such as Forgot PIN or Forgot Password. If that option appears, tap it, and if your phone supports this feature, it may ask you to enter your previous PIN, password, or pattern. If everything goes well, your phone will unlock without deleting your data. The thing with this method is that this option appears only in old Samsung models and not on newer ones. The second method is using DroidKit. DroidKit is an Android toolkit that helps solve many common Android problems, including forgotten screen locks. It can remove different types of Samsung screen locks, such as PIN, password, pattern, and fingerprint lock. One great advantage is that for some supported older Samsung models, DroidKit can remove the lock screen without deleting your personal data. For newer devices, a factory reset may be needed because of Samsung security. Let's see how it works. First, download and install DroidKit on your Windows PC or Mac. Check the link in the description below. Then, open the program, select the Screen Unlocker option, and connect your Samsung phone with a USB cable. Next, click Start, and DroidKit will prepare the required configuration file for your device. Once it's ready, click Remove Now and select your phone brand. And then, follow the instructions shown on the screen. After that, DroidKit will automatically begin removing the screen lock. The whole process is simple. When the process is complete, you'll see a message confirming that the screen lock has been removed successfully. Finally, set up your phone and you'll be ready to use it again. That was pretty easy, wasn't it? For many users, this is the easiest and most convenient solution. Another way is using Samsung Recovery Mode. This is a built-in feature on Android phones. But before you continue, remember that this method will erase everything stored on your phone. If possible, only use this method if you already have a backup. To do this, turn off your Samsung device. Next, press and hold the correct button combination for your model until Recovery Mode appears. Use the volume buttons to move through the menu. Select Wipe Data Factory Reset and confirm your choice. Wait for the process to finish, and after the phone restarts, the screen lock will be gone. The last method is Google's official Find My Device service. This works only if your Samsung phone is linked to a Google account. The phone is connected to the internet and Find My Device was turned on before the phone was locked. On another phone or computer, open Google Find My Device. Sign in with the same Google account used on your Samsung phone. Select your device, choose Erase Device, and confirm the action. Google will remotely erase your phone, and when the process is complete, the screen lock will be removed. Just remember that this method also deletes everything on your device. So, these are 4 ways to unlock a Samsung phone if you forgot your screen lock. But if you are looking for the easiest and most convenient solution, DroidKit is definitely worth trying. If you want to try DroidKit, remember that the download link is in the description below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to the iMobie channel and turn on the notification bell for more Android tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.